Hey all, sorry that my camera is kind of slanted, but the activity I'm going to do, the camera turns off whenever I move it. So we're going to just start and hang out at a low angle. So we've been talking about arrays. We're going to do a little practice at making arrays today. And what I have to practice is cereal. So here is my Cheerios that I'll be using. I chose cereal because I think it's something that a lot of people have at home, but if you do not eat cereal or your family doesn't eat cereal, you could also just use like little beads or little Legos, anything that's small that you have a good number of. So we're going to be working on this worksheet. We are going to use cereal to make arrays, but let's first review what an array is. So an array is kind of a rectangular shape. Let me highlight my rectangular design here, not quite a shape, a design. This array is rectangular because it has equal rows and equal columns. I'm going to show you the rows go across side to side. Like when you write, a row goes side to side, like writing, row. Or it also has equal columns, which go up and down. A column is like climbing up, column, climbing. So because this has 3 rows and 4 stars in each row, or 4 columns with 3 stars in each, I can make a repeated addition equation. I could say this column has 3, this column has 3, this column has 3, and this column has 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to, I can't fit it, but 12. So this is an array because remember, the rows are equal and the columns are equal. So we are going to make arrays just like that. We are going to use a manipulative. Here are my Cheerios. So I'm going to just get a random group of Cheerios. Why don't I get 10 Cheerios? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. And I can just move these around to try to make equal rows. Maybe I can do rows of 3. Let's see. Can I make an array of 10 with equal rows of 3? I can't. I have 3, 3, 3. That looks good, but then 1 here, so that doesn't work. I can't put it there, because then I have 4, 3, 3. So that doesn't work. Rows of 3 won't work with 10. Let me try 2, maybe. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Aha! There we are. I have made an array with 10 Cheerios. It is an array because the rows are equal 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And the columns are equal 5, 5. So this is an array. Now I'm not going to write on my worksheet because I need to take a picture for you to write on this too. So I don't want to ruin my worksheet. I'm going to just use my blank piece of paper, but it'd be like you'd write it here. You're going to record your array right here. So that means on here, on my paper, I am going to record my array. I'm going to draw, can you see my circles? There. 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. And I'm going to write a repeated addition equation to match. I'm going to use my columns. I have 5 and 5, and that equals 10. So I made the array with the Cheerios, and after I found an array, I drew it on my paper to turn in. Now, you have 3 boxes here. That means you are going to find 3 arrays, or find more. Maybe challenge yourself. Maybe I want to do an array with a bigger number like 25. Let's see. 12, 14, 16, 18, 22. Got a bunch of broken Cheerios. 24, 25. Okay. So now I got a lot of Cheerios. Can I make an array with these? Let's see. 4 maybe. And I cannot, because I actually have one too many Cheerios to make equal rows with 4. So maybe I'll try 5. And guys, do you see? I'm just like trying stuff. Am I finding it on the first try? No, I'm just trying it with 4 in each row. And when that doesn't work, I change my number to 5. And if that doesn't work, I'll do 6. And I'm just trying to see if I can, what I can make. And look, ooh, 5 worked. So I can tell that this is a working array because it shows me 5, 5, 5, 5, and 5. Each row has 5. And then I could look in my columns. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So this is an array because all of the columns have the same number and all the rows have the same number. It is equal. So then I can take my worksheet. I can draw 5 Cheerios, 5 Cheerios, 5 Cheerios, 5 Cheerios, 5 Cheerios, and then I'll write an array, repeated addition equation for my array. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 25. So now it's your turn. I want you to find something. It could be Cheerios, maybe it's Legos, but find some manipulative that you can work on making arrays with your hands. It is always best when we start a new operation to work with our hands and think about what makes sense. We're masters at addition and subtraction, so we don't need manipulatives, but for multiplication is really, really good practice for us to just start thinking about these equal groups with something. So Cheerios or any other manipulatives you can find, make some arrays, record your data, and then turn this into me. It'll be available online at Seesaw. If you don't have or not using Seesaw, that's fine. I didn't put this worksheet in your packet, so it doesn't have a page number. But you don't need the worksheet. Just on a piece of blank paper, work with some Cheerios and then make a couple arrays and then take a picture and text it to me. I'm excited to see what you guys come up with.